Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the Bluetooth audio delay on this device. So here you can see I already connected or paired with this Bluetooth device to my phone. If you are facing any problem, the Bluetooth audio delay, simply disconnect or unpair this connected device. Tap on the settings icon, tap on unpair. Then again try to reconnect your earbuds or the speaker. For this, we need to enter our Bluetooth device to the pairing mode. Tap on connect. Just wait for a few seconds. Done. It is connected. Okay. So simply in this way, we can fix the Bluetooth audio delay on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.